Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
What's up Kellies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you my hair growth and retention routine that grew my hair the most I've ever seen it in the space of a few months. Yesterday was wash day and I didn't manage to style it all at the same time, so I just put my hair into 2 twists so that I could style it on this day. My hair was still damp from the day before and it already had a leave-in product in, so I just went in with the styler, which was the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly by Kyle Smith, and started my 2-strand twists. Usually when I do twists, I band the root to make it look a little bit neater, but as I was away from home, I didn't use any bands, so I just did it loosely. As you can see, I'm just making my way around my head, twisting every section. After this, I just wore the twists out and let them dry naturally, and then wrapped them up for bed. Day 2, I took my headscarf off and I put my hair into a low bun. My hair was still moisturised today, so I just applied some gel to my edges and that was it for the day. Day 3, I wasn't really sure what to do with my hair this day, so I tried to experiment with the half up, half down look, but I wasn't really feeling it, so I went with the low pony again. I spritzed some water on my roots to reset the gel and lay the hair down nice and flat. Here's a final look after about an hour of wearing my hair tie. Day 4. This day I was going out with some friends and I wanted to wear my hair in a different style, so I applied some oil to my hands and started unravelling the few twists at the front of my hair. I noticed that when I was unravelling the twists that the gel started to flake quite badly, so I went in with a spray bottle and some water just to reset it. I probably wouldn't recommend using this gel and I probably wouldn't use it again just for that reason. I thought I would wear my hair up with a few pieces down, so I did what I could to make the sides look slick and then I just finger coiled the front few pieces. Later on that evening, I re-moisturised the lengths and ends of my hair. I used the same leave-in cream by Kyle Smith that I originally applied when I did my twists on day 1. Then I wrapped my hair for bed and put a bonnet on. Day 5, I took my hair out of the bun and I didn't want to wear my hair loose again. I will make sure I wear twists in my hair for at least 5 days to protect my hair. I detangled and retwisted the front into 2 flat twists and left it like that for the day because I wasn't going anywhere, I was just staying in the house. So on day 6, I usually have had enough of wearing twists by this point, so I always like to take them down and wear my hair in the twist out state for the weekend. Here you can see me just undoing all of the twists using a little bit of the Aunt Jackie's elixir oil. I then use a little bit of water and gel to slick my hair up into a high pony with a silk scrunchie. Always make sure to use a silk scrunchie. Day 7, I literally do the same thing as I did yesterday, but instead of going in with gel again, I use the leave-in cream. Honestly, this routine has saved my hair from breakage and single strand knots and enabled me to retain so much length. If you want to find out some more of my other length retention tips, click the thumbnail on the screen and I will see you in the next video.